In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a job form in Webflow. Unfortunately, since Webflow doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party widget. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked to the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then I want you to focus on the form section right here in the middle of the screen, and I want you to click on Form Builder. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the online form builder widgets page. From here, click on create widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the form templates section. So on the left hand side here, as you can see, you have over 390 different templates they can choose from, and then on the right hand side you have a fully interactive and live preview of what the selected template will feel like on your Webflow website. Now bear in mind that this here is for desktop and it's fully interactive. If you click on the mobile icon right here in the top right corner, you also get a mobile view of the form as well. Now in our case, since we want to create a job form, what I want to do here is go all the way down until we find the registration forms section. Click on that, and then at least in my case on page 2 you will see the employee registration form. Now bear in mind that all of these forms that you see right here are fully customizable in terms of design and functionality, so don't worry about the default look of each of these templates, because we can customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen right here. So for example, we can remove the address here, and then we can add an entirely different field in its place. So yeah, browse through the different templates. In my case, I'm going to go for this one here because it most closely resembles what I'm looking for, and then once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then you'll be taken to this page, which is where we can start customizing your job form to your liking. Now, if you want to create a form completely from scratch, I would recommend you to delete all the fields that you see right here on the left hand side. So to do that, simply go next to the field in the 3 dots, click on them, and then click on delete, and then make sure you do that for all the different fields. And then what you want to do here in order to add a new field is simply click on add field on this button, and then choose one of these fields. So for example, phone, and then customize it to your liking, and then click on done, and then it will automatically be added to the form on the right hand side. Now the alternative here is if you're starting from scratch, you can also rely on Elfsight's AI form generator. So for example, if you go to generate form right here, I would first recommend you to read this here. It's some very basic instructions of how this works. What you can do is briefly describe the type of form that you're looking for. So in our case, create a job form for an IT position, just like that. Of course, you can be as descriptive here as you want to, and I recommend you to go into a little bit more detail just to make sure that you get all the right fields right here. Then once you do that, click on generate, and then click on start generation, and then the AI will automatically generate the form for you. As you can see, full name, phone number, programming language proficiency, and then of course you can go here within each of these fields and edit them accordingly if there's small tweaks that you need to make. Once you're done with customizing the fields of the form, if you go down a bit, you'll see header, submit button, footer, and success message. These are some more customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your job form to your liking. So for example, if you go to header right here, as you can see, this is the job title here, which is job application form right here on the top, and then you have the caption here. You can also add a cover image, a logo, and then you can also align the text if you want to of the header. And if you don't want to have a header at all, simply disable it, and then it will be removed. The same goes for the submit button, footer, and success message. It's all very self-explanatory. Now once you're done with building out your form, on the left hand side you will also see email, layout, appearance, settings, and integrations. These are even more customizations they could take advantage of to further customize your job forms. So for example, if you go to appearance right here, the current color scheme is light, but let's just suppose we want to make it dark. Click on dark, and it will automatically be changed. I also want to change the accent color from this purplish color to maybe orange like this, and then I want to change the style of the form as well to this one. You can also go ahead and change the font if you want to, and then at the bottom here you can customize very specific elements of the form like the background, the header, the form fields, and so forth. As you can see, there's lots of different customizations they can take advantage of. I'm not going to go for every single one because it's truly going to take me all day to go through everything that you can change. I'll leave this up to you to explore, but once you're ready with customizing your job form, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then your widget will be saved up. Bear in mind, they can always come back to Elfsight and make small tweaks to the form at any point in the future. You never have to start from scratch. Now from here, all you want to do is go ahead and click on publish in the top right corner of the screen, and then you will automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely for free. As you can see, it supports up to 1 widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, or if you're testing Elfsight out, this is a great plan to go for. Do bear in mind that this comes with some Elfsight branding, so if you want your widget to be 100% ad-free, or if you want to take advantage of any of the premium features in these plans right here, such as having more than one widget from Elfsight on your Webflow website, then you have to go for one of their premium plans. As you can see, they have quite a few different options they can choose from, and if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. So yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you will automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your job form widget. It will look just like this. So from here, click on copy code, and then let's head over to Webflow so we can start integrating it. Now I'm already in my Webflow editor here, and I've actually gone ahead and added a separate section, which is where I want my job form to be. You don't need to add a new section. You can actually position your job form anywhere you want on your Webflow website, but I've just done this for simplicity's sake. So select the section where you want your job form to go, and then click on the plus icon here in the top left corner of the screen that says add elements, and then in the search field here, simply search for code, and then click on code embed. Once you've done that, you will see this window open up. Simply paste the code we just copied previously from Elfsight, and then click on save and close. And then you'll see this message right here that says this script embed will only appear on the published or exported site. So what we need to do is click on publish in the top right corner, and then click on publish to select the domains. That way the website is going to be published, and then we can actually go ahead and preview it and see the form live on our site. Let's go ahead and do that right now. As you can see, I'm now in preview mode, and if you go down a bit, you will see my job application form right here. It looks super nice and clean, and as you can see, it's fully interactive. This here, by the way, is the Elfsight branding that I talked about previously. To get rid of it, all you have to do is go ahead and subscribe to any of Elfsight's premium plans, and it will automatically be removed. Don't worry about this panel they see right here on the top. This is only visible by you just in case you want to make any changes to the widget itself. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create a job form in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.